Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how I created this look using one eyeshadow. So it's a new product that I'm using. And then there are a couple things too that I received in PR that I'm going to throw in this video as well. So let's get into the video. There are a lot of things from this brand that I am testing. You're going to see different videos on all of it. But today I wanted to focus on the eyes. So I wanted to share some of the things that I'm using from this brand. There's something I'm just thinking about that I forgot that I will get in here in a little bit. But we're going to start out with the eyeshadow. So I picked up these two colors and I love them. If you want a one and done color, these are so pretty. I'm only going to do one today, but I'm going to do this one today. I'll tell you both the colors though. One of them is the color Halo, and that's this one right here. I'll swatch it for you. And then this one is in the color Spark. So it comes with a key, by the way, too, so you can kind of crank it. I'm not crazy about the packaging, to be honest with you, but I will tell you, like, you don't use a lot of product. Look at that right there. That little bit, that little swatch. It is so, this is so pretty. Look at, there's more. I didn't even squeeze it. And then we'll do this. I'll swatch it, but then we'll wear it, okay? It wears well on me all day. It hasn't creased on me. It doesn't fade on me. It's easy to use. So look at teeny tiny little dot, and look at, like, so pretty. They are, I think they're gorgeous for mature eyes. There's no sparkle or shimmer or anything in these. They're just very glowy and gorgeous. So if you are somebody that, you know, you have mature eyes and you're like, I don't want to wear anything with shimmer in it, this doesn't have any shimmer in it. There's none. So I would definitely recommend it. If you're someone that wants to use a shimmer, but you're like, I can't, I think you're going to love it. The founder, what is her? I'll put her name up here. Maybe I'll show her photo. Is a mature lady, and she wears these. She created these for mature skin or younger people too. But honey, I'm telling you. So look at, I haven't even squeezed it. I didn't squeeze it. It just came out. So I'm going to take that little amount. Hopefully this isn't too much. I like to still use a brush when I apply this. Okay, so I will put it on with my finger. And by the way, I already have a eyeshadow primer on. This is my Refer brush number 16 brush, which I need to clean, I know. Easy to use. Just apply it to your eye. And I will put it on my lid. You don't have to be picky about this, okay? But that's where I put most of it, is like that. I just kind of keep my pinky like that, or my finger, in case I need to put more. And then I will just start to take my brush and blend it out more. And I like a fluffy brush because it just blends better for me. And I'm stretched here. I'm pulling my eye up. Pulling my eye up. Look at that color. I'm telling you, this shadow is amazing. And it kind of has a little bit of an iridescence, I feel like, these colors. So that's why it's like a one shadow, like that's all you need, one shadow. You don't have to go in with, you know, crease color. Like, no, just put one shadow on and it looks freaking amazing. Look at that. You see that? Look how beautiful that color is, and it blends like a dream. So I put most of it on my lid, and then as I go up, I'm diffusing the color and softening it so it almost looks like I did use another color, which I didn't. Look at that. That's it. It's a one and done shadow. Not squeezing any more out, but I do have to get more because that dried. It does dry kind of fast, so you do want to work quickly. I mean, don't panic about it, but, you know, put it on your lid. And then we're going to take it, and now we're going to start kind of keep it in that area. And then you just start to blend it. I feel like I need a little bit more right here. And then you just blend it. Oh, I love it. I just want to soften this a little bit more. That's it. Put the cap back on. I mean, this, you barely have to use any. It's going to last you a while. So now I want to go in and I want to use some new, new to me. I don't know if these are actually new. These are from Laura Mercier, and I believe these are new. These were gifted to me in PR. They also gifted me some caviar sticks, and I'll have to do a look with them because they're matte. They're all matte colors. So I will do something in another video with those. But these, oh, I love these. This is the one that I'm going to use right here. You see that bronzy color? There's a blue and then there's a black. I'm going to show you. So this is the, oh, actually this is the blue. This is the blue one. And I wore this the other day and it's so pretty. This is in the color Blue Marine. Blue Marine. Can you see that? It looks like it's more darker on camera. I mean, it's blue. This is in the color Tuxedo. And then this is the color that I'm going to wear today. And this one is in the color bronze. And I love it. I've been wearing this one a lot. So it's bronze. That's the one that I'm going to wear. I love these. So let me show you. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use it on my lower. Right here. I'm going to go ahead and go in my upper with it. Then I'm going to take my smudge brush from BK Beauty, my smudge brush, and I'm going to soften this. I'm not really trying to make a wing, I'm just kind of connecting it. Do the same with the other, where'd my liner go? Here it is. Same with the other eye. So I'm just doing this on my lash line. I'm not going inside my waterline. And then connecting it. I'm not being really neat because this is a very forgiving color, so it's not like I'm using black or something, you know. And then I'm just going to blend this out. Barbarella Brown in my tight line. So I purchased the eyebrow set. I didn't know which one to get. You don't have to use this to do a look with it, but I do like to use it. Now, this is what the pencil looks like. It's kind of, I don't like the packaging. I'm going to show you why. Because when you take this off, like this whole thing covers the pencil. I feel like it's unnecessary to do that. And you have to be careful when you're putting it back. And I don't get it. I don't like it. I don't know. The only, I just think as it gets more, like I use it, I feel like, how is it going to fit on here as I use it? You know what I mean? When it gets smaller, I don't know. It just doesn't make sense. And then the other side, you have this little spoolie here, which, dang it all, I feel like I forgot to bring my, did I forget it? Oh, I did. I forgot to bring my favorite brow thing in here, but we're just going to use this today then. You guys know I like my Chanel brush, but I don't know if I feel like getting it. If I have issues, I will. So I'm going to brush this up first. You can see what my brows look like. And then I also got, I'll tell you the color in a second too. And I also got the little powder, which one of you guys recommended. I freaking love this. Like if you want a one and done look, this is it. It lasts all day. The pencil lasts all day. This lasts all day. The thing about this pencil though is it's soft. Okay, so you're not going to get the little lines on. And she even mentions that the makeup artist. Oh my gosh, why can't I not remember her name? Hold on, I'm going to tell you right now because I'm filming a lot of videos and I should know what her name is. Rosemarie. Okay, so Rosemarie even said if you're looking for a pencil that's going to do little lines, this isn't going to do it. But I'm going to be honest with you, I really don't care about the little line thing. Okay, maybe for the younger girls, they like to do that. But I'm not doing it, and you have to have kind of some skill to be able to do that. I'm not doing that, okay? So I'm going to show you how I use this and that. So what I do with the pencil after I brush it out is I will go lightly like on the outer corner. Or not the outer corner, the outer edges or whatever, if you will, of my brow. Kind of like shape it out, okay? And I'll do the same with the top. I'll just go like I'm right on top of it. And I'm just kind of defining it a little bit more, okay? Just like that. Then I will take it here and I will start to go up. I'm not trying to make hairs, okay? But I'm just trying to create a shape. I have kind of a weird shape to mine, you see, where it just like, I need to have a little bit more of a shape, okay? So I just kind of do that and I'll go and kind of connect it there, and that's it. Then I will take this, and this is the RMS brush, and I love this. So on one side you get this little brush here, and then you get this spoolie brush. Let me see if we can. Okay, so that's what it looks like. So then you take it, and the color, by the way, and I will have everything below, okay? The color that I'm wearing is medium, and I think the pencil's medium too. So it doesn't say, I'll have to find out. It doesn't say in here. I can't read it. So anyways, I'm going to take this, put my brush in it, and you hear thunder because we have a thunderstorm coming. So I'm going to go ahead and start about right here. I like to go right there in the middle and then work because I want to put more of my product here than at the corner here. I don't want it to be too dark. And then I just, look at how easy this is. Like, that's it. Now I'm going to blend it, but you see, that's it. And then I will take it. I see I need to get some hairs that I need to tweeze. I'm going to do it really quickly because it's going to annoy me. Blend it out. And I think that if you get this, I feel like you need the brush. Unless you have something similar to it. Like I have the one from Chanel. I like to use it as a blender. I feel like I like this better to apply it. I don't know. I just do. So. This one looks more rounded. I kind of want to. Like that. One more product I'm going to show you really, really quickly, but I'm going to do it, but I'm going to put lip color on. These were gifted to me in PR. And these are from Naturium. I always have a hard time saying this. It's like a tongue twister. I'm going to finish my eye look too. I'm going to put my mascara on and all that. This is from Naturium. It is the PHYTO-GLOW Lip Balm. So I have the color Plum. I have the color Hibiscus. I have the color GOJI. G-O-J-I. Is it GOJI? And then I have the color Spritz. They feel wonderful on my lips. However, if you think you're going to get a color, it really doesn't matter which one you get because they're going to look the same. I'm going to swatch them really quick on my lips and you're going to see. Okay? Look. Like, there's barely a color there. It feels nice. A little thick. On the verge of being sticky, but not sticky. Okay? Honestly, like I said, it doesn't matter what color. I'm going to use this one. You think, oh, this is going to be really bright. No, you're not going to see nothing. Like barely a color. No, to me, they're nice, but I wouldn't buy them myself. Personally, I wouldn't. And look at it. I'll just put it on the bottom lip. Can you tell the difference? I don't see shit. I'm sorry. There's no reason to tint these. Why companies do that. If you're going to put a tint in it, then tint it. If you're not, then don't. Okay? Again, look at it. I'll just put it on my bottom lip. Like, yeah, you see it, but then look at when you rub it in. That one you see a little bit. That one I guess you do see a little bit, but it's not like amazing. Actually, out of all of them, this is probably the only one that's probably worth getting if you want a color, and that is Hibiscus. But it also depends on your lip color too. So maybe these just look too much like my own lip color and they're not showing up. That's the thing too. It's nice, but is it amazing? No, it's not amazing. It's okay. Okay, so this is my final look. One right here. I love these. I freaking love these. I'm testing more from this brand. You are going to see the brows. Oh, I forgot to mention that in the beginning of the video, the brows too. I love this product. I mean, again, you're going to see me. I purchased a lot from this brand. Nothing was gifted to me. Nothing. Would love it, but no. I purchased everything myself. But you will see me reviewing more products from this brand, so stay tuned for that. But I love the brow. I love the eyeshadow. I just absolutely love. Look at one look, and it looks like, I mean, it looks like I have a couple different colors on there, and it's one. I love it. I think it's beautiful. I'm trying to stop myself from getting any more, but I might get one more because I love them. Highly recommend it. So thank you all so much for joining me. I really, really appreciate it. And by the way, whoever recommended the brow, can't remember who you were because I have a lot of followers here. Okay, can't keep up. Thank you. Thank you for recommending the brow. Love it. But I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you are new here, I would love to have you join. I share new videos every single week. Please consider smashing that subscribe button below. It is free. And again, I say this every single time, but I really, I hope that you know how much I mean it. Thank you. To all of you that are already subscribed, I truly appreciate each and every one of you. Before you go, do me a huge favor. Just make sure you share, like, and comment my videos because it helps to push them out. And I really appreciate it. So thank you so much. And I will catch you guys all in my next video.